And finally, getting to the bottom of a years-old question: how is blue-green algae affecting your health? Local experts are taking the first steps to find answers, and they're starting by sampling the air, making Cape Coral ground zero for testing. They hope to eventually learn just how much of those toxins you're breathing in and what long-term effects could it have on your health. Fox 4's Rachel Lloyd explains.
They're using these air filtering devices to catch particles from the air, and they say the more particles that get to the bottom means the more likely they are to get into your body. Drilling in, hammering down, and locking in place. Marine scientist Dr. Mike Parsons and his team prep one of 4 devices to station throughout Cape Coral for the next couple weeks.
We're looking for any of the cyanotoxins, if they are present, and at what levels they're present.
They found cyanotoxins, or toxins produced by blue-green algae, in the air before. And now, with the help of a $200,000 grant from the Florida Department of Health, they can see how those toxins affect your health. Starting in Cape Coral, where harmful algal blooms travel through canals in 2018.
We have a lot of questions that are unanswered, and this will answer some of those questions.
Councilmember Jessica Cousin says Cape Coral has the most canals in the world, stretching 400 miles. So this is the best place for researchers to start.
We're lucky that we're kind of ground zero for this research. It's new, it's groundbreaking, and we're going to see for real what the health impact is of blue-green algae on humans.
People living along canals have mentioned difficulty breathing while harmful algal blooms were present. And Dr. Parsons mentioned half a dozen dogs died last year after bloom exposure. But this research will focus on the long-term health effects those toxins could have on people.
The other concern will be chronic level exposure, and that's where it can lead to things like non-alcoholic liver disease. There's some concern with BMAA that's being produced and how that would relate to neurodegenerative diseases.
And next, his team will study the health of 20 to 50 volunteers for a few years to see how far, if at all, these airborne toxins are getting into their bodies. In Cape Coral, Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4, in your corner.